Hey guys, Truck Trolley here. Truck Trolley is a lightweight roller tray system for the bed of your pickup truck. Gives you convenient access when you want it and full utility of your truck bed when you need it. Today I'm going to show you how quick the removal process goes so that you can get your full truck bed back when you need it. The first step of removing the trolley from the truck bed is to disconnect the long cord rail from the clasp strap and then remove the long cord rail from the bracket of the trolley. From there, you fold down the trolley bracket and you repeat that on the passenger side. A little tip or trick that we like to use is we take this long cord rail, instead of removing it from the truck bed, we feed it back through the clasp and pull tight, and the strap rides up against the truck bed, getting it out of your way when you're using your truck bed. Then just repeat the process on the passenger side. Disconnect the long cord rail from the clasp strap, remove the long cord rail from the trolley bracket, and fold the bracket down. Then feed the long cord rail back through the clasp strap, pull tight to get that strap out of your way. Next step is we fold the trolley back up. Then the trolley is ready to be moved and stored. Here's another tip or trick when removing the trolley from your truck bed. You want to take your safety straps and remove them from the D-loop on the truck bed. We're going to use these as a handle to transport the trolley out of the truck bed. So we take our two safety straps and we take the clasp, we run it through the loop on the safety strap, connecting the two together. Then we're going to take this clasp and we're going to connect it on the D-loops on the trolley. Just like so. And then we're going to run the second clasp over to the D-loop in the next portion of the trolley. Just like so. And now our safety strap is a handle. The removal usually takes about a minute. If you have any questions about the truck trolley, please reach out to us at trucktrolley.com. Thank you.